Hi everyone, Bank Nifty 1 minute chart 9:16 am buy call generator green color candle open. In this chart automatically it will generate calls like a signal. Today buy call generator, today means it's a Monday market September 11 9:16. Buy call came at 45,440. Above lines are target line like a 100 point first target, 200 point second target. Below red color line is the stop loss line. Daily in live market you will receive calls like a signal in this chart. Today buy call at 45,440. First target is 45,553. Let's wait and see how this buy call work out in live market. After 40 minutes of market momentum, it finally break out a first target range. It's a gap up and break out the first target. During the time of call generated, 45,500 acted as a resistance, but market able to break out 45,500 and achieve the first target range. Like this today call generated and break out the target. If you want to subscribe for this chart, if you want this chart means send me a hi message in WhatsApp. We will provide you the plan detail. If you feel like it, you can subscribe for it also. It's a chart. In this chart, you will receive calls like where to take the entry, target, stop loss. By just watching the video right now, you are going to watch the chart right and get the call, place the order in your broker account. Manual trading, auto trading, both are possible for this. If you want to know about the plan detail, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. Thank you.